How many years have you had a laptop for? And how many years have you had a smartphone for? How many laptops have you had in your entire life? How many smartphones have you had in your entire life? The real question is, how much money have you made with your laptop and your smartphone? I know I wasted a lot of time with my laptop and my phone, and I've recently decided to make some money with my laptop and my phone. So today I've decided to show you a few apps and tricks to make you money. Now these apps are really awesome and they're easy to use. I'll be showing you every single step that you need to take in order to make this money. What you need to do is make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so that you don't skip any important part, because I'll just explain to you what the app is about so that you get more understanding of how it works. And make sure to watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part of the video. Now this is free and it is available worldwide, so wherever you are from on the earth, you can all get access to this opportunity. Now before I show you this awesome strategy, I would just need you to do me a favor. Please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button and also click that bell icon. That is the notification bell, which means that every time I upload a new video to help you make more money online, you'll easily receive a notification and watch my videos. So the first app we want to look at is the Plug. Now the website is plugco.in, so it's plugco.in. So the app is the Plug. So let me explain to you what is the Plug. Basically you get paid to actually download an app. So it's basically you need to promote a specific application. For example, over here, pick a promo, choose an app to promote, post it on your socials. So basically it is about having a certain application and they want you to reach a certain target. For example, there will be a specific application and they would like you to get maybe, let's say, 100 people to download the app and they're going to pay you money. Or maybe they'll want you to get 200 people to download the app or 50 people to download the app and then they'll pay you. So basically all you'll be doing is promoting a specific application, and it's not just about promoting it, is that when you promote it, you want the people you promote the application to, that they need to actually download the app. Every time they download the app, you will get paid. So basically what will happen is that when you sign up over here on the app, you're going to get a specific referral link. Now that referral link is what you would like to give to your customers or to your people, or your friends, the people you want to promote it to. And when they click on your link, it will give them the option to download the app on their phone. And when they download it on their phone, it will show on the Plug that one of the people you've referred your link to has downloaded the actual application. So it must reach a certain number of downloads before you will get your money. It's really awesome. As you can see over here, I've made $200 a day this month. Get this app, no more waiting around for someone to run a promo. So it is really awesome. As you can see over here, $50 per day. So it's really awesome because all you need to do is promote the app. Now the trick over here is that it doesn't matter if people use the app or not. The people you promote it to, if they download the app, it immediately shows that they've downloaded the app. So even if they delete the app, you will still get your money because they've actually downloaded the app. It's all about getting people to download the app, because the more they download the app, the more it shows that this specific app has increased in the amount of downloads, and that is basically it. So for example, if we click over here where it says get the app, just wait for it. Now it's going to take us onto this page over here. So basically, this is how it looks on the App Store. It's the plug analytics, and it's got a high rating of 4.2. So it's doing really well. So as you can see over here, this is how it's going to look. So you can decide to download this on your phone and create an account and start promoting different applications. And what you want to do is you want to get people to actually download specific applications on this app. So it's going to provide you with different applications that people are trying to promote. So you want to choose one and then you want to promote that application. You can decide to go onto Facebook, onto Twitter. You can just post to different friends, just share your link and say, hey, this is free, just download this. Just however you can be convincing for people to actually download the app. Now there's also a strategy that people use. This is picker workers whereby people can actually help you to actually download this specific app that you want them to download. For example, here you can see promote your content. So basically you can just pay certain people to download the app. You don't need to pay them much, just pay them a little bit to actually download the app so that you can actually make your big money on the plug over here. So that is the first application I wanted to show you. The second application you want to use to make money is called My Achievement. So My Achievement is basically a platform where you can actually make money from doing simple things like walking, meditating, logging meals, and answering questions. So it's basically, for example, if you take walks in the morning, you just want to record the amount of kilometers you've walked and so on and so forth. If you take bike rides in the morning, you want to, every single day, you want to put it on the app how many kilometers you were riding and so on and so forth. So it's just about giving information to the application so that this application can actually use that data that you've provided them to actually do specific things for the future. So for example, you can get paid every day to just state the kind of foods that you're eating. You can get paid for meditating every single day for 15 minutes. So it's just simple things like that. As you can see over here, walked 14,633 steps. So it's just simple things like that. If you like to walk or run or meditate, or you just want to tell the app the kinds of foods that you've been using, that you've been eating every single day, it's really fun things like that. It's called My Achievement. It's basically just to have a certain goal. For example, you want to walk a certain distance, but you are unable to walk that distance for now, so it is a goal. So you'll just be putting in the amount of distance that you've been able to walk every single morning, and at the end of the day, maybe you reach your goal in 2 months' time, and so on and so forth. It's just really fun. If it sounds confusing, make sure you comment your questions down below so I can explain it to you further. But it's really easy to use, nothing really complicated over here. It's a great platform. It's in cooperation with CNBC, the New York Times, Quartz. So it's a really big app, and a lot of people are using it. As you can see over here, over 3 million app downloads, millions of people participating in cutting-edge medical research. So it's really awesome. Now the next app I would like you to use is called Swagbucks. It's swagbucks.com over here. It's really great. Basically, you just do some simple things like watch entertaining videos. You can get paid to search the web. You can get paid to answer some surveys, and as I said, watching videos and getting paid. What I like about this is the watching entertaining videos on this platform over here is really awesome. The reason it's awesome is because Well, you need to be a person that likes to watch videos to actually make the money, because they don't pay much per video you watch. But if you watch like maybe 50 videos all the way to 100 videos a day, you can make a decent amount of money. But if you're a person that's looking to just watch like 2 videos and make a lot of money, this is not the app for you. And you must understand that a lot of people are using this strategy so they cannot be paying every single person big amounts for watching videos. They rather pay people who are watching more and more videos with a smaller amount, so that if they watch maybe 50 videos or 100 videos, then they can get paid a decent amount at the end of the day. A lot of people come over here and they just want to watch 2 videos and expect to make $100. It's not going to happen like that, because then everybody would be doing that. But if you watch 50 videos all the way to 100 videos and then make $100, then it's a different story. So it is more for people who are dedicated in watching videos and taking the time to actually, spend time on this platform and watch the videos and make money. And if you also like to answer some surveys, just answer a couple of surveys and get paid. The surveys don't pay you a lot of money, but they actually pay you a few, it's a little bit of money. But at the end of the day, the surveys are very easy to answer, and it's not complicated questions. It's just very, very simple questions, and the amount that they're going to pay you is exactly what you deserve, because it is so easy to do. So, and you can get your money via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you just want to create a PayPal account so you can receive your money. You can decide to get an Amazon gift card, or you can decide to get a Walmart gift card as well. It is all up to you on how you would like to receive your money. So it's a really great platform, and I really recommend you to give it a try. Comment down below how everything works out for you. All you'll need to do is you want to create an account, or you can just sign up directly with your Facebook, which is the more simple method of signing up. It's just very easy. Just sign up with Facebook and then you can get an account. And the great thing about this is that they'll give you a $10 bonus just for signing up, which is really, really cool. So I mean, $10 is not much, but at least it motivates you to actually sign up and just get that extra $10. So those are the three apps that I wanted to show you. The first one, as I mentioned over here, is the plug, where all you want to do is to promote applications. They'll give you an application and they want you to promote it. Post it on your socials, which means your social media, your Facebook. Get people to download it. Tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends. Tell them it's free. The app is free, because the app is free. Most apps that they're going to give you for promotion, they are free. So you just want to let them know that, hey, please download this app. It's free. It's really, really cool. They can just download it and then they can decide to delete it. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. But what you want to make sure you do is reach the target. So if they give you an app that says make sure you get 200 downloads so that you get your money, you want to make sure that you promote that link, that referral link of the app, so that you make a lot of money and get paid, of course. The second app is called My Achievement. My Achievement is over here, is whereby you can do simple things like running, meditating, jogging, walking, bike riding. As you can see, this lady over here says, achievement constantly reminds me how important my personal health is, and I love it. I took up kickboxing and I like that I can track each boxing workout I do. Over here, this lady says, I'm excited that I'm able to participate in research and help people who are suffering by sharing my data and answering surveys from anywhere. This gentleman riding the bike says, I use Achievement to track my workouts and stay motivated over the long term. It feels great to contribute to research and earn extra points while I'm at it. So it's really, really cool. It's just, you're just helping them get more information on the kind of activities you do, the progress you're able to make in a certain amount of time. They use that information to to do better things in the world. So, and you get paid for it, which is great. The third app of course is Swagbucks, which is the platform where you can answer surveys, watch videos, search the web, and that's it, and make some money. So if you combine these 3 apps all together, you'll make a lot of money for yourself. You will definitely make a lot of money for yourself, because if you use each app once a day and you do what is required, you watch videos, you use the the achievement app over here, you go over here and you promote an app on the plug. I mean, you can make a decent amount of money every single day. So that's what I wanted to show you. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, make sure you comment your questions down below in the comment section. Please like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the AD Money channel. I would really appreciate it. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button and also turn on the notification bell. Click that bell so that every time I upload my new videos, you will receive a notification. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope it helps you. Comment any questions you have below, and cheers.